Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Gary. In this video I'm going to show you a task and project management system that I've discovered that works really well for the Remarkable tablet. It uses the notebooks and the tags system and I'm really enjoying using it. So I'm going to take you inside the Remarkable and show you how it works, see what you think. So this is how you set it up. You're going to use a notebook, and within the notebook you can use tags and the page expand to find all your tasks. So I've got a demo folder here, and in this I've got a notebook and I've called it Habitpunk Tasks. And then each page within the notebook is going to be a task or a project that you can work on. So for example, YouTube video is a task and a project. So when you first start, what you're going to do is, I've used the small lines template, and if you write on the top two lines the name of your task, when you click on this button here, it shows you 12 pages and you can see the name of each task at the top. If you need it a bit bigger, obviously you can use a different pen or write a bit bigger. But the idea is that you're going to use 4 tags to keep it simple. You're going to use someday, month, week and today. So when you first start, just write in all the tasks that you want to do someday or this month. And if you click here, you can click this button here to add a new page or a new task. So write them out, scroll through, add all the tasks in that you want to do. And then when you've finished adding the tasks in, you're going to use the tag feature. So have a look through, and with each of the tasks that you think you want to do this month or someday, you're going to tag it as such. So if we start off tagging the tasks that we're going to do this month, so I've got YouTube video. If you press and hold it, you can then click other ones to add in as well. So I've got a London trip that I want to do, declutter the house, set up a website, I've got some birthdays, I want to do a meal plan, train for a 10k run, cancel some subscriptions, sort out the garden and join the gym. So there's some monthly tasks that I want to do. Then if you click tag at the top here when you've done this and click new tag and type in month. I've already got one set up, so I'll just click month and then click off it, and then you can see that when you open them up you've got a tag here for all your monthly tasks. Then go in and select the tasks that you want to do someday. So for example, I've put an example, learn the piano, that you want to do someday. Tag that with someday. And then we've got one here, YouTube video, which I want to do this month. Okay. And then what you do at the start of every week, so if you start on a Monday or a Sunday, sit down and click on your monthly tasks and have a look through which ones you think that you want to do this week. So YouTube video, London trip, declutter the house, 10k run training, meal plan, I've got some birthdays coming up, set up a website. Pretty much want to try and get some of these done, well most of these done this week, cancel a subscription, and then we've got join the gym, sort out the garden. I might not do that this week, so I'll just keep that as month. Then I click tag and click that with this week, take month off. And then now when I go in and open up, I can see what I want to get done this week. Every day you come in the morning, open your Remarkable up and have a look at this week's tasks and decide what you think you're going to get done this day. So YouTube video, I've got to book some train tickets for the London trip, declutter the house. Now with the train for 10k run, the meal plan and birthdays, I want to keep those front and centre, so I'm going to select those every day. I don't think I'm going to get a chance to set up the website today, cancel a subscription or join the gym. I'm not going to do that today. So I'm going to click these ones that I've selected and click tag and change from this week to today. and then if you click on today, there's your tasks that you want to get done today. You can go further if you wanted to. You can click tag with, say, YouTube video. You want to do that one first. Tag, just one for the highest priority. And then today, London trip, tag, and do that second. So that when you click on today, you can click on what's most urgent, and then we can open up this. Now, you can use this as well as a project planner, because when you've done your task, so 8th of May, task video done, you can then put in, 15th of May or wherever it might be that you want to do the next task. You can also use this if you want to plan out ahead. So if you want to plan out a schedule of when you want to do these, you can do that now. I've done that today, so you can click here as well. I'm not going to do that this week, that's going to be for next week, so put in this week, because I know that every Monday I'll look at my weekly tasks, and then we'll go back into it, and we click on open them all up, click on today. That's gone now, so I know that the next thing I need to do is plan for the London trip, so I can buy the tickets for that, tick, and then the next thing I need to do is to pack for that. So then that won't be today now, that will be this week. We can click off that and we open it up, and then today's tasks to do that. So again, if you go into projects, so say for example you want to set up your website, again you can put in what you need to do as you go through, and you can tick off, you can work out when you need to do things, how long it might take, and then you've got all your tasks that you want to be getting on with. Now with the tags as well, you can find tags in the main menu. So if you go back to the main menu and click tags, you've got all the tags for all your different notebooks. But what I like about this is that when you go into a notebook, for example my writing notebook here, here's the scripts for this video. So I've used a mind map at the top, and then I've written out some ideas for the scripts. I've kept it in one page, so that when I open up all my pages, I can tag them with, well, this one's complete. We can have scripts in progress, project ideas, article ideas, so you can just add on another task if you want to do a video on habits, for example. And then you can do a bit of a mind map here, and you can tag that with, we open it up, we can tag that with project idea, and then we can see all our project ideas or scripts in progress and things like that. So the way that I use this is I've got a planner. Again, going back to the demo, I've got a planner that I use. So on each day, after I've worked on my tasks, I've got tasks sort of like that I do regularly, routine tasks. You can put those in there. So the first thing I do every day is I open up my planner, see what my routine tasks are, and then at the end of the day, I can make a note of where I've spent my time, or if I want to plan ahead, I've got, if I know that I've got a meeting here, I can put in the meeting so I can see what time I've got to work on different tasks. And then in the planner as well, I've also got a vision and projects section. So I started with a 12-week plan, so that's at the end of 12 weeks. So I want to launch a paper version of this planner. So I know that I'm on week 6 here. So I can open that up, I can get an overview of what I need to do generally for my projects. And then also in here, you've got a monthly calendar, so you can put things in there. And then I've got a tracker as well, which is a mood tracker that I use. I'll show you. so I can put in, you know, my mood, and then track habits and things like that in here as well. And then go back to the daily page. So at the end of the day, you can sort of keep a track of where you're up to. And at the end of the week, make a few notes of how I've got on in the week. And then, for example, the last question is, what are your goals or intentions for the next 7 days? How will you achieve them? So I put some notes in here. So we'll go between the planner and then the tasks here, which again, you've got your tasks Sunday, month, week and today. With the Sunday tasks, the idea is here that if you get on with all your urgent tasks, the things that you'd like to do, for example, learn the piano or sort out the garden, you'll never get round to those. But because if you check your Sunday tasks and try and put them into your monthly tasks, and then put them into your weekly tasks, and then today you're going to get more things done. So I hope you found that helpful. It'd be great to see what you think in the comments below. And also, if you can do me a favour, I'm restarting the channel and I've got lots of ideas for videos like this. If you'd like to see more, please support me by liking the video or subscribing to the channel, and I hope to see you again in the next one.